Doug and I met when we were both successful adults. We met after each of us had created incredible success in business, financial freedom, and early retirement. You know, we love so many of the same things in life. We share a common mission and purpose. And even on the rare occasion when our visions don't align, we still support each other. My favorite qualities about Doug is his strength of character, his obsessiveness when he has a goal in mind, whether that's researching a new project or working towards a new goal we set. You know, his gift for speaking and training from stage is truly unparalleled. He speaks to the hearts of people. And I think that's because he's lived several lifetimes in his one. He grew up in utter poverty, moved around a lot, 9 schools in 12 years. He lost his dad to a massive heart attack at 11 years old. He was put into foster care. He beat addiction. Truly, to make it out of his childhood without ending up in prison or dead is truly a testament to his spirit. You know, as an adult, he served his country. He started several successful businesses at the age of 24, built them to the point of financial freedom at 34. He's a survivor. No, he's not a survivor. He's a thriver. He narrowly survived a natural gas explosion that gave him third-degree burns over 49% of his body, put him in a coma for 6 weeks, multiple surgeries, skin grafts, and rehab for a year. Doug's not whining or crying about any of that. So come on, who wouldn't want to learn from someone like that?
When Mel and I met, it was an immediate connection. Her adventurous spirit is contagious, and our lives have become one adventure after another. Our conversations are almost always about what we're going to do, our next goal, our next dream. It's exciting just to be around her. She blows me away with her straightforward and sometimes brutal honesty. She can be so determined and steadfast when it comes to a mission she's on. On the other hand, she can be so compassionate and empathetic, especially with children, animals, and the planet. The things Melanie has accomplished are amazing. She set herself financially free at the age of 26. She is an incredibly skilled businesswoman. And Melanie has committed her life to helping others pursue their dreams and in several different ways. Her leadership insight and skills are truly amazing. She also shares her gifts around the world by teaching and training. She is truly gifted on stage at sharing her knowledge and her experience. And if you ever get the chance to see her train, I urge you to give yourself that amazing gift and do whatever it takes to be there.